Hey everyone! So we are going to show you our studio transformation. So this is our studio that was in our basement. You can see it's super cluttered and pretty messy. We had no room to do absolutely anything. And so we needed to move. So this is us emptying our basement out, and you can see that we are finally moving all of our stuff. Thank you to our friends and family who've helped us move everything into our new space. But this is our space. Thank you Space Unlimited for helping us find the perfect studio for our business. And we are in a commercial building. This is the before. And we will show you, we got our floors polished and did some painting before we moved in. This is about 1,000 square foot space too, so it's perfect for our business needs right now. So this is the polished floors. We got our greenery in the back and got an LED sign. We painted our doors a color in our business that we like to use, and we are finally moving everything in. We just want to say thank you for all the support that we've had, and we've been so grateful that we've been able to build our business up this year. Wholesale has definitely changed the game for us. We have grown a lot since we started wholesale, enough to have to move out of our space. And it's honestly shocking that we were able to fit about 90% of the stuff that we're showing you right now into our basement, which is not even half the size. But again, thank you to family and friends for helping us make this happen. So here is the transformation of our space. Here's the before. Doors painted, and we get our name up on the door. Alright, are you ready to see our new studio space? Here it is, all finished. So right in front of us is our packing station and where we cure our soaps and our bath bombs. And right here is the main area where I work. We have our mixers over there for our bath bombs, and I make soap right there. And to the right is where we store all of our finished products. We obviously need to do a huge restock. We've kind of been behind on that since moving. And then we have our office space and packing area and a little hangout area. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. We look forward to sharing more about our business in the future. Hopefully we can get back on track here with videos. But again, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!